Hey, Sydney. She's here. Hey, listen, you guys. We got our American Girl doll, Elphaba, in the mail today. This is really heavy. Let's see if I can get a good angle so we can unbox it. Okay, there is no good way to do this. So we're just gonna stand her up like this and obviously open her from the back. Oops. I remember American Girl had a lot of packing peanuts last time. Uh-oh. So let's hope there's no packing peanuts that are gonna spill all over the floor. All right. Okay, let's snip the tape down here. Obviously, I did a quick change and I put my Wicked sweatshirt on. I actually custom made this. I had gone to see Wicked in, I think, middle school, and I got this t-shirt, and then it didn't fit me anymore, obviously, and so I sewed it on to the sweatshirt. It gets a little wrinkly sometimes, but I think it looks really good on camera. Anywho, Wicked. There's a little tissue paper. How do I get her out? Help. Uh-oh. Help. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Don't fall. Don't fall. Don't fall. Okay. Don't fall. Girl, you fly. You fly. You don't fall, you fly. Okay. You can see her. Okay. We don't fall on the floor. We fly. Okay. All right. Here we go. How do I do this? There's not enough room on this table. Like this. You can see the star on the top. Goodness knows I so lonely. She looks so pretty. Goodness knows I can't you. She's so beautiful. I was gonna take her out of the box, but I don't know if I do now because she looks so pretty. Gorgeous. She comes with a little broom. Wow. Collector series. Is there an easy way to do this without destroying everything? I don't know. I feel like I just want to leave her in there. Look how beautiful she is. Here's the side. Obviously, it's really metallic. It says Wicked, American Girl. American Girl, Wicked. I think this is Elphaba. Elphaba Thropp. Elphaba Thropp. Limited edition, American Girl. I love her so much. I don't want to destroy her by opening her. I don't know, girl. Do you want to breathe? Okay, let's just do it. And I'll put her on a display stand. Up, up, up. You did it. I'm obviously keeping that box. I'm just looking at her like that. She's so pretty. How do I get you out without destroying you? Well, I thought that broom would be easy to get out, but it's not. Let's see if I can move you up here. Yes, we can. Okay. Okay, we're strapped in by the feet, so I can do that. Ignore that one hair. It bothers me too. Can we cut her free without snipping anything else? Okay, we got a foot out. We got another foot out. Oh, I don't know how to do her arms without snipping her hair. Okay, this one's free. She has her nails painted blue. Okay, her arms are free. I really don't know how to get this. I don't know how to get her broom out. Girl, how do I get you out of here? See, she's like trapped by her broom. Like, her broom is actively holding her in because her hand can't go that way. Her hand can't go that way. It's stuck. I don't think you were meant to be taken out of your box, but I want to. I'm determined. I want you on a display stand, thank you. That's dangerous territory right there. How do I do this without destroying the whole box? Elphaba Thropp. I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna have to cut this plastic to get the broom. That shouldn't be the case, 'cause I paid a lot for this. Okay, can we get your hair out? Okay. Okay. There. Okay, okay, okay. Making progress. Okay. I'm like, okay. We got hair out. Let's see if I can do the neck. She's free. Oh. Her hat's stuck to the top. Come on, guys. I know you wanted her to stay in there, but gosh. Okay. Alpha. Guys, I want her to be free. Okay. Be free! Hello? What are we stuck on? I don't know what we're stuck on. Oh, there's one on the other side. Okay. No! The hat fell. Okay. The struggle is real getting you out of here, girl. You're really pretty, though. I didn't think you were gonna be this pretty, but you're really pretty. Oh, I got her out, finally. Here's Elphaba Thropp. Don't fall, girl! Don't. I don't need you tripping over your own feet, girlie. I know your legs aren't loose. Okay, and then her hat. Okay, now we just gotta get your broom out, girly. I love her so much more in person than I did online. Okay, how do we get the broom out? I got everything else out, and you can see the remains of it in here. Wasn't I supposed to get... Excuse you. That was rude. Wasn't I supposed to get a certificate that said this is real? I did not. They did not want me to take this out of here. Goodness. Oh, here. No? We're gonna take the scissors and cut the plastic. Be free, broom. Okay. Broom. This is so hard to get open. I even cut down the side of the broom, and I can't get it out. Can this open, please? Open! The struggle is very, very real. The struggle is a very, very real thing. I can't open this 'cause it's impossible. Impossible, 'cause they said it's for collectors, and I'm a collector, but it flew. It flew. I got it open. I got it open, but it flew. Okay. Shifoo. Okay. I don't know what that is. I did not get a certificate of authenticity. We know she's authentic. How am I gonna do this? The broom, like, she can stay in the display like that. Don't tell me that doesn't look good. Elphaba Thropp. Okay, I'm gonna cut and we're gonna go upstairs and put her on a stand. This was worth it. This was worth it. I actually just took this back part away from this part, which is the actual back part, and I found it. It's right here. It's just really hidden. So I'm gonna put that like in front of her when I display her. And it says like, care for your doll. I just don't know why that was so hidden behind all of this. Anywho, I'm happy with my purchase. All right, I just got all the plastic parts out of here. And now it looks a lot cleaner and better for display. But I think she looks really pretty up there with all my other dolls. There she is. Oh, I do not regret that purchase at all. Look at her, and then look. When you go backwards, you can't really see her hat. But I styled her hair a little bit. So, like, the front pieces are kind of in the back. And I think it looks really pretty. And yeah, she's just going to stay up there like that with my other dolls. Thank you again for watching. Check out another video or see what I posted on my other channels. And don't forget to like the video and hit subscribe. Bye!